Hello and welcome to this Concrete Canvas Toolbox talk. In this short video, I'm going to explain what concrete canvas materials are, what they're typically used for, and the 4 key installation principles needed to follow to make sure you have a successful and safe installation. Concrete Canvas Limited is a material manufacturing company based in the UK and has been inventing and developing new types of innovative technologies for over 2 decades. Our core material technologies supply a unique construction solution that is very fast, easy to install and environmentally friendly. Our products are sold in over 100 countries worldwide across multiple sectors, including road, rail, petrochemical, utilities, councils and mining, and have many notable clients such as Network Rail, BP, Rio Tinto, among many others globally. So what exactly is concrete canvas? Concrete canvas is part of a revolutionary class of construction materials called Geosynthetic Cementitious Composite Mats, or GCCMs for short, and they are designed to replace traditional concrete for hard armoured erosion control applications. Concrete canvas materials are flexible concrete impregnated geotextile that harden upon hydration to form a lower carbon, fibre reinforced concrete layer. Concrete canvas comes in roll format and a variety of thicknesses to suit your application. You simply unroll, fix into place, spray with water. It's literally concrete on a roll. The material combines the speed and ease of installation of plastic membranes with the inherent strength and durability of traditional forms of concrete. There are 3 different types of concrete canvas available, and they are all based on the same core material technology. On the top surface, you have a layer of hydrophilic synthetic fibres. These are tight enough to stop cement loss, but help wick water into the material to aid with hydration. This surface is always laid face up. You then have a 3D matrix of synthetic fixed fibres running through the material, which is filled with our proprietary cement blends. The fibre matrix maintains a uniform density even when the materials are placed on the vertical or upside down. We use a variety of high, early strength gain cement blends which have a working time of between 30 minutes and 2 hours depending on the product. Finally, on the rear surface, you have a waterproof plastic membrane, either PVC or LLDPE, which is always installed face down in contact with the subgrade. Concrete canvas products have been designed for a number of core applications. These include channel lining, slope protection, remediation, secondary containment bund lining, culvert repair, and weed suppression. There are 3 main types of concrete canvas material available in different formats to best suit your project. Concrete canvas materials fully comply with ASTM international standards. Our products are available in either concrete canvas in the form of T-Series or CC Hydro and CCX. Concrete canvas is available in 3 thicknesses, 5mm, 7mm and 11mm, and as standard are either 1 or 1.1 metres wide. These are referred to as CCT1, CCT2 or CCT3 and correspond directly with the ASTM D8364 Type 1, Type 2 and Type 3 GCCMs. Concrete canvas materials are available in larger bulk rolls or smaller portable batched rolls, which are ideally suited for when access to site is limited or machinery is restricted. The concrete canvas material is very flexible and is suitable for lining assets which have a non-uniform profile or uneven surfaces. CC Hydro is our containment variant of concrete canvas and has an additional 1.2mm thick scrim reinforced PVC backing layer. It's commonly used for secondary containment of liquids and chemicals and is available in either CCH-T1 or CCH-T2 variants. CCX is our latest development, which is a Type 2 GCCM and is 10mm thick and is wider as standard at 1.9 metres wide. It's more suitable for assets such as drainage swales, larger channels or canals that have a more uniformed profile. Please get in contact with your local Concrete Canvas technical representative or sales partner for further information on all of the products we manufacture and which is best suitable for your project. Although a relatively simple product to install, there are 4 key installation principles contractors need to adhere to ensure they have a successful installation of this material. But before we get on to that, we need to discuss the PPE requirements. As well as your standard hard hat and high-vis jackets and safety boots, we would recommend gloves, glasses and dust masks in case of any dust generation. Many of the accessories needed for a concrete canvas install are available to purchase from Concrete Canvas Limited. These include collated stainless steel screws, auto-fed screw guns, spreader beams for deployment of the bulk rolls, customised thermal welding nozzles, round-headed pegs for intermediate fixings, and galvanised mild steel pegs for anchoring. Discuss your requirements with your regional technical sales representative or refer to the detailed equipment list within one of our specification guides. In order to deploy the vast majority of the material, you will need a spreader bar and suitable machinery capable of suspending the material for its deployment. The machinery needs to be able to support both the spreader beam and the material and have sufficient reach in order to deploy the material successfully and safely. Deployment should always begin downstream, working your way up so it's overlapped in the direction of flow of a minimum 100 mm, shingled like roof tiles. It's recommended to use a swivel shackle attachment to the spreader bar and excavator to handle and position the roll correctly and more easily before cutting. CC is really easy to install and you can cut the material to length using basic hand tools. For larger projects, you may want to consider using a disc cutter. However, we would always recommend the use of a mask because there may be dust generation. The first key installation principle is to avoid voids. The surface in which the material is to be installed should be smooth, flat and geotechnically stable. All rocks larger than the size of your fist, vegetation and sticks, or in the case of remediation, old rebar or broken concrete should be removed. It is important that the subgrade does not damage the underlying geomembrane. In some applications, you may want to consider an underlying geotextile. The second key principle is to secure the material by both anchoring to the subgrade and jointing multiple layers. There are a number of different methods that can be used to join the panels together. A screwed-only joint is the most commonly used jointing method when the channel is conveying surface runoff or rainwater. Because the screws are used, this cannot be considered a low permeability joint. Screws should be placed 30 to 50 mm in from the edge, and spacing between the centres should be between 50 and 200 mm depending on your application. It is strongly recommended that you use an auto-fed screw gun with collated screws, which can also be supplied by Concrete Canvas. If lower permeability is required, a sealant can be applied in addition to the screws. It is also possible to thermally bond and screw when using our CCX products. For remediation, you should use concrete fixings with the appropriate pull-out and shear strength to suit the underlying substrate. Just about any type of anchoring can be used as long as they are stainless steel with a minimum head or washer diameter of 15 mm. As well as jointing, you want to make sure the material is anchored to the ground. Typically, we would recommend 250 mm galvanised pegs, which are used in the anchor trench through the overlap of the concrete canvas material. The third key installation principle is to prevent ingress from either wind or water from getting underneath the material. This could cause undermining of the subgrade and could result in systemic failure. You must cut the anchor trenches along the crest of the channel And these would generally be 150mm deep, 150mm wide and 150mm away from the shoulders of the channel. These can be dug either manually or with the use of an excavator or mini digger. The final key principle is to hydrate the GCCM to achieve its maximum strength. You must actively hydrate the concrete canvas. You cannot rely on rain or snow melt to fully hydrate the material. As a general rule of thumb, it's about half its weight of the material in water to assure full hydration. For a 1.5 ton CCT bulk roll, this would equate to about 750 litres of water. The best practice is to hydrate the material in one pass and then start back at the beginning and hydrate again, with a focus on the sloped areas or where the material is lighter, indicating more water is needed. You should be able to press your hand on the surface and see water at the surface. If you cannot, or you're unsure, it needs more water. You cannot overhydrate the material, and we always recommend an excess of water. The water does not have to be potable. Water pumped from a nearby lake, river, stream or sea may be used, as long as it has a pH level greater than 6. High pressure water jets should not be used, as this could dislodge the cementitious material. Once fully hydrated, the anchor trenches should be backfilled. Please refer to our detailed hydration user guide for further information. A typical crew size for smaller projects would include an equipment operator, along with 2 or 3 skilled labourers to assist with placing, securing and jointing the panels together. For larger scale thermally bonded projects, 6 to 8 people may be needed, with the configuration that you would have an equipment operator and 3 or 4 people to deploy the material, along with the remaining crew members assigned to joining the panels together. Production rates are higher for larger uniform profiles. A typical installation rate can be as high as 2,000 square metres a day for larger projects. Remember, always use GCCM products that fully comply to ASTM D8364, the only specification standard for GCCMs. Thank you for watching this Concrete Canvas Toolbox Talk video. For further information or for specification guidance, case studies or even an online contractor training portal where you can receive an online certificate, please visit our website www.concretecanvas.com. Feel free to get in contact with your local Concrete Canvas representative by visiting the contact page on our website. Thanks ever so much.